How's it going, everyone? My name is JJ and welcome back to another video. This time we'll be creating some pixel art using Hama beads, which are more known as perler beads. So with these beads you can put them onto a little pegboard, iron them, fuse them together to create some lovely pieces of art. This time we're going to be using Pokemon sprites. So I'm going to be starting a series where we create a different Pokemon sprite every single day until we complete the National Pokedex. Day number 1, we have Pokemon number 1, that being Bulbasaur. We have 9 different colours, that being white, red, green, light green, black, dark green, fluorescent green, pastel green, and finally dark grey. As you can see here, we've created the outline already. We're starting to shade in the face. Like I said at the start of the video, I'm using Hama beads, and all the different Hama beads have different numbers. In total for this pixel art, there are 252 beads needed to complete this across 9 different colours. So starting off with white, Hama bead number 1, that is a total of 6 beads. Red, Hama bead number 5, that is 2. Green, Hama bead number 10 is 21. Light green, Hama bead number 11, that is 39. Black, which is Hama bead 18, you'll need 58. Dark green, which is Hama bead 28, you'll need 36. Fluorescent green, which is Hama bead 42, you'll need 3. Pastel green, which is Hama bead 47, you'll need 66. And finally dark grey, which is Hama bead 71, you'll need 21 of them. Once you're done, you can go ahead and put some masking tape onto the back of the art to then be able to peel it off of the pegboard, so you can put it on something harder to iron. And once you've got it on your hard surface, go ahead and iron it to fuse the beads together. You can then poke some holes in this into the tape to help keep that pixel art, as well as having the more smoother, clean side as well, which you're going to see in a second here. In the description of this video, I'll have the links to all the Hama beads that you'll need to be able to complete this, as well as a paint by numbers, a colour by number style photo for you to follow through and be able to complete this yourself at home as well. Nevertheless, I hope you've enjoyed the video and come back next time to see Ivysaur. Bye!